There we go. The original package that I should have gotten from the beginning. Let's cut this open. So right away in the box, it's gonna come some bubble wrap, fragile sign. Let me just pull it out real quick and I'll show you guys. So right off the bat, this comes with all the necessary tools, tape, it's double-sided tape. Double-sided tape on the back, some instructions on how to actually install this, but it's pretty simple. I don't even need this. So there we have it. Let me show you guys real quick what it looks like. Just a close-up. Has some like grease, I guess. I don't know what it is, but clean this up real quick, get it nice and shiny. Yeah, really impressed. Looking at it, there's like no chips, no nothing. And I got this style, I don't know if it's like an M style wing kind of spoiler. Indents coming out. Hell yeah, I can't wait to install this, guys. Really lightweight. Test fit. Oh, it looks so good. Clean this shit real quick. Let's make sure to wipe down all the surfaces. Didn't get a final video, but this is what the car looks like now, and I gotta say it's freaking awesome. Came out way better than I could have ever imagined. This makes the car look so much better. Really completes the look. Still got the diffuser, side skirt still coming in, and a lip. But yeah, that's gonna conclude the video, guys. If you guys really like the spoiler, let me know what you guys think. I'll leave descriptions of where I bought it, how much it was in the description below. For now, guys, peace out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments. Peace.